Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of working with golden topaz, the stone of inspiration. For those who are brand new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And today, we're going to be talking about how golden topaz can support you in your everyday life. Now, this stone will be especially effective for those who are born in the month of November. It is the November birthstone, and I do have another video posted about how your birthstone affects the themes that you'll see in your life, and I'll post that up in the eye above. And topaz comes in a couple of different colors, but golden color is the most common. It's the most easily accessible. You can find it in tumbled form like this, but since it is a birthstone, you can easily find jewelry, pendants, bracelets, rings, earrings with faceted golden topaz. Now, topaz also comes in blue, pink, and white. But those are a little less common, a little bit more expensive, and they do have different supportive qualities. But today we're going to specifically focus on golden topaz, the stone of inspiration. But before we get started, if you've been watching my videos and you're really enjoying them and finding them useful and you haven't already subscribed, just check that button below to make sure that you are subscribed. The first benefit of working with golden topaz is that it is extremely uplifting. This is a very positive and happy stone. It is like the brightness of the sun shining down on you, warming you, lifting you up. This is a stone that dramatically helps to improve your mood. So if you're feeling lethargic, down, disappointed, unmotivated, golden topaz is just an extremely helpful pick-me-up stone. Sit in meditation with it for a few minutes to let that sun shine within you, to like really expand your energy and help improve your mood and your motivation. The second benefit of working with golden topaz is that it helps us recognize our talents and strengths in life, things that if we really channel our energy into them, will just help our lives run a lot smoother and help us contribute and feel more satisfied in life. And our personal strengths, our inner talents are always there with us, but sometimes we are a little resistant to them. We may deny them. If, for instance, maybe a skill to teach. You might be really talented at connecting with students and describing students, but you think that the only way to use that is to be a teacher. And that's not necessarily the case. You can still really embrace your skill at teaching and use it in a unique way. Maybe you do online classes. Maybe you help with youth. Maybe you counsel other people. But there are phenomenal ways to use your talents, and golden topaz helps you recognize that they are strengths, that they are useful to you. Golden topaz wants you to reach for greatness, to really be the best version of yourself that you can be. And if you deny things that you're good at in life, then that really only puts up a barrier to your personal and spiritual progression. Now, the third benefit of working with golden topaz is that it dissolves emotional, mental, and spiritual barriers that we have erected in our lives. The sun of golden topaz just shines down on us and dissolves anything that might be standing in our way. And it could be with our hidden talents and strengths that we don't want to acknowledge some of those. And golden topaz helps to dissolve, like, habits that are not supporting us anymore, long-standing beliefs, fears, hesitations, beliefs that we're not good enough for something. Golden topaz will dissolve all of that, will ease those fears and worries, and allow us to let go of things that are really holding us back and that we don't need, that aren't supporting us in our life anymore. Golden topaz also helps to dissolve any kind of energetic attachments, any kind of karmic blocks, energetic blocks. So if you're feeling unmotivated and tired and you're not really sure why, then sitting with golden topaz can help dissolve some of those barriers that maybe are preventing our energy from flowing, dissolve any kind of energetic attachment that might be leaching our energy. So golden topaz is just extremely helpful for, eliminating, helping us let go of what we don't need, what is blocking us. Then the fourth benefit of working with golden topaz is that it helps you realize your divine purpose. And this is a broader extension of discovering your personal talents. But this is useful for really getting in touch with what your purpose in this life will be. And this is more than discovering a career path, but how you really want to contribute to humanity in the space of this human life. This stone is also really helpful if you've just been feeling directionless and lost in life. Sitting with golden topaz on a regular basis will really help you see the areas in your life that bring you fulfillment, that bring you passion, and that you're really good at. It shines a light on those so that we can see them. And it will help you give a direction to head in your life. Golden topaz is just such a positive, uplifting stone. It really wants you to shine and be as bright as you possibly can in this life by channeling what is natural to you. Not by forcing it, not by faking confidence or faking purpose, but really tuning in to the natural flow in your life, and it allowing you to lift yourself up, to contribute to lifting up humanity and really, really taking advantage of this human life. Thank you so much for sitting and listening about this wonderful, gorgeous stone, golden topaz. And if you do find that golden topaz is a stone that you would like to work with some more, then in 2 days, I'll be posting a guided meditation with golden topaz. And you don't need a gemstone to benefit from the meditation. But if anything in this video or anything in the meditation really spoke to you or felt really familiar or triggered you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get some topaz and work with it some more. For those who are new to the channel, I talk about a new gemstone every single week so that you can really get in depth into the study of crystal wisdom and how crystals and gemstones can help you in everyday life situations. So if you are interested in learning about how they can help you, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you during the guided meditation.